So you might do me a favor, in the Husqvarna bag, the side pocket, there's a little black bag that has a bunch of batteries in it. Can you hand me that? You run your camera, I'll run mine. Yeah, you don't got it on now, do you?
I will. Promise.
Oh, it is. I changed it last night. Oh, she is girthy. All right, the back of the chip truck, shovel rake, and the sled. Yep. There we go. Can you grab a cone and put it over the electrical outlet that's down there? All right. No, Andrew, put one on top of it, like going over the outlet. Yeah, yeah. Headache. Thank you. Yeah, just leave those there. Just so we know. Headache. Oof. All right, headache. I'm gonna this is a pretty big branch. Good peel. You ready? Nice. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna knock another piece off this. There's only a couple big ones on the bottom. Alright, headache. Alright, perfect. I'm gonna speed line a few. Right, there's a couple in here that are. Hey Andrew, do you want to grab that red bag? We can move it out. I got one on a speed line. There's a couple in here that are kind of big. I'd rather do that with. All right, guys, on it? All right. Perfect. Yep, nice. All right, headache. I'm gonna chop a couple of those. I'm gonna wait. Alrighty, I got one on. Ready? Hey, I just gotta wash that light socket. Yeah, I'm gonna send this one down. Headache. Headache. Little branch. Okey-dokey. I probably could. Yep. Alright, got one on. It's a little guy. Ready? Oh, no. Wow. Here it comes. Nice. Perfect. I'm gonna drop one. It's not a very big one. Alright, another piece of it. This one I'll probably... Alright, this is a good size one. That's a decent sized branch. Got my daughter's bracelet she made me. I hope it doesn't tear. Yeah. I think I can do this one quick. Just zip, zap, have it fall straight down. This guy? No, Andrew's staying close to the outlet. All right, I'm gonna do it. Andrew, I'm gonna start listening to you. Like right there. But you're right, yeah, I just put a stumps over it. Just listen for squealing. There's a couple I'm probably going to see a bunch. Headache, that one coming down. Another one coming down. I was gonna say, blame it on the lawnmower. Down. Oh, beautiful. All right, second one's coming down. Just lean back with that one. That way it'll add weight to it. Uh-oh. Nice. Almost. speed line works good. Speed line works really well if you're going over like a long distance. I'm gonna drop this one branch right here and push it over. Eric. Perfect. I got one big one with a speed line. I mean, that's a healthy branch. That's for sure. Ready? I got that on video.
I just gotta say that. I knew it was
I gotta see him doing the forward moonwalk. Because I feel like oh, it wants to peel. Ready? Oh, here comes another one. Joe, just lean back on this one. Nice. Nice. But they get to be big. Headache. I got two on. Ready? Jesus. What is this thing hung up on? All right, another one too. You ready? Let me know. All right. Oh, goody. The other trees. There it is. Beautiful. Look at this thing. It's still holding on pretty good, but all right, here's another one. Let me know when you're ready. Oh, hold on. Really? There's a tiny little nub. Give me a second. Ready? There it is. God, I want this thing out of my face. Hold on. Still can't get rid of this thing. Got it. All right. No one's around me, right? Yeah, that's just a smaller branch. What, you think I could push this one? I think so. There it is, pushed it. Worked out well. All right. Alright, I should be able to push most of these guys out the way here. If my saw wants to work. Yeah. Alright, here's another one. Oh, that's a... Alright, ready? Oh, I didn't want it to do that. There it is. Yes. Ready? Or not. Jesus. What? There it is. Pushing this one. Jeez. Oh. Nice. You guys don't gotta pull. Hey, I got nothing on it.
No, that's what I said.
Alright, I got another one coming down. Yeah. That one slipped out of my hand. That wasn't a good push. You good? Alright, watch out. I got another one coming down. Uh-oh. Darn it. I need a gas saw. No. The one that wasn't used. That way it's fully already filled. They're already all filled up. Alright, it's coming down. Alright. Oh, easy, easy. The muscles on you, I tell you what. I can tell. hurt my sweet, sweet Joe weed. Yeah, he talks too much. Yeah. Alrighty. And then from here, yeah, start chunking down. Oh, turning away. Up! In the pond. And it's in the pond. All right, you're good. You're good.